How to view your friends on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your friends on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it you will see here this one, friends. Just click on it, and then here you will view your friends on Roblox mobile. And I don't have any friends, that's why there's nothing here. If you want to add any friend, just click here and type his name here and then click enter, and you will find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.